Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that could revolutionize your skincare routine and save you a fortune. We're talking about rebuilding your skin from the inside out, using the power of science-backed vitamins. Forget expensive, invasive cosmetic procedures for a moment. What if I told you that you could achieve a radiant, youthful complexion by simply harnessing the incredible power of a vitamin trio? I'm talking about the holy trinity of skincare: vitamins C, E, and A. These aren't just trendy ingredients. They are foundational building blocks for healthy, resilient skin. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how these three powerhouses work together to protect, repair, and completely rejuvenate your skin, giving you that natural glow we're all searching for. Let's get started on the path to your best skin ever. First up, let's talk about the undisputed champion of daytime skincare, vitamin C. You've probably seen it everywhere, from serums to moisturizers, and for very good reason. Think of vitamin C as your skin's personal bodyguard. Its primary role is as a potent antioxidant. So, what does that actually mean? Every single day, your skin is under attack from environmental aggressors like UV radiation from the sun, pollution, and even blue light from our screens. These create unstable molecules called free radicals, which are like tiny wrecking balls that damage your skin cells, leading to premature aging, fine lines, and dark spots. Vitamin C swoops in and neutralizes these free radicals before they can cause harm, effectively creating a shield for your skin. But its protective power is just the beginning. Vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen production. Collagen is the protein that gives your skin its structure, its firmness, and its bounce. As we age, our natural collagen production slows down, which is why we start to see sagging and wrinkles. Vitamin C acts as a crucial cofactor in the collagen synthesis process. By boosting collagen, it helps to keep your skin plump, firm, and resilient, actively fighting against the formation of fine lines. And if that wasn't enough, vitamin C is also a brilliant skin brightener. It helps to inhibit the enzyme responsible for melanin production, which means it can fade existing dark spots, sunspots, and post-acne marks, while also preventing new ones from forming. The result is a more even, luminous, and radiant skin tone. In short, a daily dose of vitamin C is non-negotiable for anyone who wants to protect their skin and maintain a bright, youthful complexion. Now, let's move on to the second member of our power trio, vitamin E. If vitamin C is the bodyguard, think of vitamin E as the master hydrator and repair expert. Its scientific name is tocopherol, and its primary function is to deeply moisturize and nourish the skin. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin, which means it can penetrate deep into the skin's layers to provide lasting hydration and prevent water loss. This is crucial because well-hydrated skin is not only plumper and looks healthier, but it also functions better. Dehydrated skin is compromised skin, making it more susceptible to irritation and damage. Beyond its moisturizing capabilities, vitamin E plays a critical role in strengthening your skin barrier. Your skin barrier, or the outermost layer of your skin, is your first line of defense against the outside world. When it's healthy, it keeps moisture in and irritants out. When it's damaged, you might experience dryness, redness, and sensitivity. Vitamin E helps to fortify this barrier, sealing up any tiny cracks and making it more resilient against environmental stressors. It also has incredible healing and anti-inflammatory properties, making it fantastic for soothing irritated skin and helping to repair damage. But here's where the real magic happens. Vitamin E works in perfect synergy with vitamin C. They are true partners in crime. When used together, they enhance each other's effectiveness. Vitamin C helps to regenerate vitamin E after it has been oxidized or used up fighting free radicals, essentially recycling it so it can go back to work protecting your skin. This dynamic duo provides a much higher level of antioxidant protection than either vitamin could offer on its own. So, when you see a serum that combines both vitamin C and E, you know you're getting a supercharged formula designed for maximum protection and repair. And that brings us to the third and final hero of our skincare trio, vitamin A. This is the ultimate game changer, especially when it comes to anti-aging and skin renewal. You probably know vitamin A by its more common names in skincare: retinoids, which include retinol, retinaldehyde, and prescription-strength tretinoin. While vitamin C and E are your daytime protectors, vitamin A is your nighttime transformer. Its main superpower is its ability to accelerate cell turnover. Normally, your skin cells renew themselves about every 28 days. As we get older, this process slows down significantly. Dead skin cells hang around on the surface for longer, which can lead to a dull, rough, and uneven texture, as well as clogged pores. Vitamin A steps in and tells your skin cells to get back to work, speeding up that renewal process. It encourages the shedding of old, damaged surface cells and promotes the generation of fresh, new, healthy cells underneath. This process has a profound effect on the skin's appearance. By constantly bringing new cells to the surface, it dramatically smooths the skin's texture, refines the look of pores, and helps to fade discoloration and acne scars. Furthermore, this rapid cell turnover is incredibly effective at smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles. But that's not all. Similar to vitamin C, vitamin A also stimulates collagen production within the dermis. By boosting collagen, it helps to improve skin elasticity and firmness over time, leading to a visible reduction in deeper wrinkles. It's a true multitasker that addresses virtually every sign of aging, from texture and tone to lines and firmness. It's the gold standard for skin renewal and the reason why dermatologists recommend it so consistently. Using a vitamin A derivative in your nighttime routine is like hitting the reset button on your skin while you sleep, allowing you to wake up to a smoother, clearer, and more youthful-looking complexion. So, let us put it all together and see how this incredible trio works in harmony to completely rebuild and protect your skin. It's a comprehensive, 24-hour approach to skincare. In the morning, you apply your vitamin C and E. The vitamin C acts as your primary shield, neutralizing free radical damage from the sun and pollution, while also working to brighten your complexion. The vitamin E supports this protection, boosts hydration, and strengthens your skin barrier. Together, they form an antioxidant network that keeps your skin safe and resilient throughout the day. They are your defense team. Then, at night, when your skin switches into repair mode, you bring in the heavy hitter, vitamin A. While you sleep, the retinoid gets to work accelerating cell turnover, shedding the day's damage, and clearing the way for new, healthy cells. It unclogs pores, smooths out fine lines, and stimulates that all-important collagen to rebuild your skin's underlying structure. It's your renewal and repair crew, working tirelessly to reverse signs of aging and improve your skin's overall health. By using this trio, you are addressing skin health from every angle. You're protecting it from future damage, repairing existing issues, and actively rebuilding it to be stronger, smoother, and more radiant. This isn't just a temporary fix or a surface-level treatment. This is about creating fundamental, long-lasting changes in your skin. It's a powerful, natural, and scientifically proven path to achieving a healthy, youthful complexion without ever needing to step into a clinic for an invasive procedure. This strategy empowers you to take control of your skin's health and its future. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this deep dive into the power of vitamins C, E, and A has inspired you to incorporate this amazing trio into your own routine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And do you forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future skincare content. Let me know in the comments if you're already using this vitamin trio, or if you plan to start. I love hearing from you all. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.